Hey guys, welcome to Arivo Pro. We're happy to learn about your interest in the professional courses and looking forward to provide you with the perfect platform to train you to be a qualified company secretary. So today, through this video, we're going to have a look at what Arivo Pro actually offers in the company secretary course. We at Arivo Pro offer different modes of classes. So we do offer offline classes, we offer online classes, and we also offer recorded classes. We offer face-to-face classes in the offline mode, and this recording of the same is also provided to you. And in an online class, you can attend live online classes, and a recorded version of the same will be available to you post the classes. In the recorded classes, we offer the recordings of all these classes available. We also offer mock exam test series for all the three modes of classes. It will be the mock test series is available chapter-wise. Study material for the same is also provided. In offline classes, we also provide hard copy, and for online and recorded classes, we provide soft copy of the notes. At Arivo Pro, we also do provide counseling sessions for all the modes of classes, that is offline, online and recorded classes. So counseling session is provided by a dedicated mentor to all the three modes of classes. All the three modes of classes indulge in doubt clearing sessions. In offline classes, the doubt clearing sessions is done in the classroom, and online classes also during the class hours or after the class hours, we do provide the time for you to clear your doubts. In recorded classes, we have given an option in the app that is the doubt clearing session, and you can use that to clear your doubts in the recorded classes. We also offer scanners for all the three modes of classes available. We at Arivo Pro offer face-to-face classes, which helps the students in understanding the concepts and be engaged with your fellow CS social group. We provide a proper physical setup in which the students can occupy themselves and listen to the classes in a physical engagement. The recorded version of the same classes will be available to the students within 24 hours and can be accessed through our Arivo Pro app. We also offer live online classes to students, which helps them attend their classes in their respective places with their own comfort. Just like any other face-to-face classes, Arivo Pro offers doubt clearing sessions with the live online classes as well. It helps in better understanding of concepts and doubt clearing sessions from any remote area. The recorded classes of the same are available to the students within 24 hours after the session is completed and can be accessed through our Arivo Pro app. We also offer recorded video classes. These classes can be accessed by students from anywhere, anytime. These recorded videos are provided in our Arivo Pro app, which is available for all devices, that is the desktop, Android and iOS. Students can also ask their doubts or questions to the faculties on Arivo Pro app using the feature given. The recorded videos that are provided are downloadable on desktop and mobile. Recorded classes can be viewed unlimited number of times with structured learning system. The recorded video classes will be available on the app within the completion of the live physical sessions within 24 hours in the Arivo Pro app. We also provide study material for the courses, and it will be available on the Arivo Pro app. Study materials are prepared by qualified professionals. These study materials can be downloaded and will be available in a printable format. For physical classes, we also do offer hard copy notes, and for online classes and recorded classes, the notes will be sent in a PDF format. Arivo Pro also offers test series to our students. These test series can be accessed using the Arivo Pro app from anywhere, anytime, according to the convenience, which helps the students in preparing for their exams. These test series have access to chapter-wise questions, and entire syllabus of the paper is covered. You can write the exam at your comfort wherever possible, and you can also upload the answer script. A detailed analysis on the feedback on the mock exam papers or the test series is provided to the students for a better understanding of their performance. The mock tests can be taken unlimited number of times with new question every attempt. The test series answers can be either typed in the given space or uploaded with the given option. We provide both the options to our students. The students can either type their answers or write the answer in a sheet of paper and upload the same in a PDF format. This helps the students in answering the questions in their own comfort. The batches at Arivo Pro for CS coaching are as follows. For CS EET, we have an evening batch that starts at 4:30 p.m. and ends at 8 p.m. For CS executive level, we have a morning and an evening batch as well. The morning batch starts from 6 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and the evening batch again starts at 6 p.m. and goes up to 8:30 p.m. in the evening. These are the features available from Arivo Pro during the course of your CS training. Grab this opportunity and make your learning better. Thank you.